Tips to stay fit for Christmas. If you want to stay fit during the holiday season, especially during Christmas and the New Year's Eve, here are some useful tips that might help you. 1. Eat before heading out. First, it is best that you eat something before heading out to visits, trips, or family dinners. By doing so, you will no longer be tempted to eat a lot or overindulge yourself since you have already eaten. Skipping on meals is not a good idea either, because you will only be forced to eat more later. 2. Select the treats. Make sure to select the treats that you eat in a wise manner. You should choose something that you can only enjoy during the holiday season and not something that is readily available all the time. 3. Avoid skipping meals. Don't skip meals, especially breakfast. Even though it can be tempting to skip on certain meals, believing that it will make up for the treats you consumed in the previous day, don't do it because it will only lead to counterproductive results. 4. Drink with moderation. It is best to regulate your drinking since alcohol, Coke, or other juices will only add more calories to the ones you already eaten. 5. Be active. You should still perform your fitness routine whenever possible, and if you can't do that, simply walk more, park your car some distance away from the store, or just use the stairs. 6. Enjoy yourself. Also make sure to set realistic diet plans. Trying to restrain yourself totally from some foods will only make you eat more. Feel free to enjoy the treats that you really love, but in small portions. 7. Eat less and more often. Distribute your meals evenly throughout the day, and do not eat everything at once. Instead of having 2 enormous meals, have 5 small ones. Eat your dinner earlier and have a nice walk before going to bed. 8. Prioritize your workouts. Try to do them early in the morning while everyone else is still sleeping. This way you will also avoid remarks like, "Oh, come on. It's Christmas." So there you go. 8 simple tips that will help you avoid gaining weight during the winter holidays, but will also allow you to enjoy yourself and have a great time with your loved ones. Good luck, and don't forget to give me a like for support.